If you see you are logged out of Rockstar Games, you will be unable to access Grand Theft Auto Online in GTA Online. Don't worry. This usually happens because of login issues, server problems, or network interruptions. Let's fix it step by step. First, restart the Rockstar Games launcher and your PC console. Completely close the launcher and GTA Online, then relaunch them. This clears temporary login glitches. Next, check your internet connection. Restart your router or switch to a more stable connection. Avoid VPNs, proxies, or hotspots, as they may cause login failures. Now, log out and log back in. Open the Rockstar Games launcher, sign out, close it, then reopen and sign in again. This refreshes your session. After that, verify the game files. On Steam, right-click GTA 5. Properties, Installed Files. Verify integrity of game files. On Rockstar Launcher, use the Repair option. Corrupted files often cause login issues. Also, check Rockstar Server Status. Visit Rockstar Server Status to see if GTA Online servers are online. Finally, disable overlays and background apps like Discord, MSI Afterburner, or recording software, as they can interfere with the login process. In most cases, restarting the launcher, verifying files, and ensuring a stable connection fixes the login error.
If this tutorial saved you time, like the video, subscribe to LearnBase, and ask your next question below.